Most companies rip out their learning management system when it doesn't do what they need, or are stuck with workarounds. That's expensive and risky. Here's the smarter approach Teachers of Tomorrow chose. Our client, Teachers of Tomorrow, uses LearnUpon to deliver teacher certification programs across 9 U.S. states. LearnUpon works great for course delivery. But what happens when you need custom subscription logic? Multi-tenant architecture to serve both individual learners and B2B organizations? Centralized user management across more than 25,000 learners? You don't replace it. You build around it. This is how. Scaling fast, Teachers of Tomorrow has certified more than 85,000 teachers since 2005. They use LearnUpon as their LMS. The problem wasn't in the LMS, but everything around it. Authentication lived in Azure Active Directory. Course access was controlled by LearnUpon. Subscriptions managed in a separate legacy portal and needed custom logic. Several disconnected systems, no conversation between them, no single source of truth. For administrators, this setup quickly became a mess. User subscription status? One system. Their course progress? Different systems. Their enrollment data? Another system. So, Teachers of Tomorrow wanted to centralize user management across all systems, without replacing LearnUpon, without disrupting active learners. This is where us at Academy Smart came in. We didn't replace any of their systems. We built an orchestration layer, a custom user portal, while adding some custom business logic. Think of it like this. Azure AD, LearnUpon, internal database, these are your existing instruments. We added Stripe for payment processing. The portal is the conductor. It doesn't store courses. LearnUpon does that. It doesn't process payments. Stripe does that. It doesn't manage identity. Azure AD does that. But what does the portal do? It orchestrates authentication. It manages subscription logic that LearnUpon wasn't built for. It controls who gets access to what, and it owns the complete user lifecycle. From the user's perspective, it's still just one login. Here's how this actually works. Single sign-on flow. A user logs in through the portal. The portal sends them to Azure Active Directory for authentication, and Azure validates their credentials. The portal checks their subscription status. If they're subscribed and active, the portal generates a single sign-on token and launches them directly into the new portal. Multi-tenant architecture. Teachers of Tomorrow serves two types of users: individual learners and organizations. These need completely different logic. Different registration flows, different payment models, different reporting requirements. The portal handles both. Same infrastructure, but separate environments. Course Catalog Sync. Every night, the portal syncs the course catalog from LearnUpon. Users browse courses in the portal. When they enroll, the portal automatically grants access in LearnUpon. LearnUpon tracks their progress. The portal displays their completions. Two systems, one experience. Now let's look at subscription and payment logic. Teachers of Tomorrow offers two payment models: one-time purchase for individual courses, or monthly subscription for unlimited access. Here's how payment and access work together. Users select a subscription or course in the portal. Portal sends them to Stripe for payment. Stripe processes the payment. Portal receives the payment confirmation. The portal interprets what that payment means. Single course? Grant access to that course in LearnUpon. All access subscription? Grant access to everything. When a subscription expires, the portal automatically revokes LearnUpon access. Migration strategy. Remember, 25,000 active users. We couldn't flip a switch. We built the portal while LearnUpon kept running. Summer 2025, the new portal went live. All users migrated. Zero disruption to their training. Here's what we built this with: Angular 19 and Tailwind CSS for the front end, .NET 9 and Azure Functions for the back end, Azure SQL Server and EF Core 9 for the database, and Azure Active Directory B2C with custom ROPC Identity Experience Framework policies for authentication. So what did this architecture help accomplish? Teachers of Tomorrow now have one system orchestrating everything. Complete user lifecycle in one place. Subscriptions managed automatically. Payment processed? Access granted instantly. Subscription expires? Access revoked automatically. Scaling to new states? The infrastructure is ready. 25,000 plus users migrated. Zero downtime during migration. 6 months from discovery to production. Built to scale to 100,000 plus users. And phase 2 is already underway, enhancing the functionality for B2B users. Self-register organization. Manage teacher accounts in bulk. Generate custom compliance reports. Track progress across the entire organization. That's what proper architecture gives you, a foundation you can build on. If you're using LearnUpon or any other LMS and hitting similar limits, here's what this project teaches. Lesson 1, extend, don't replace. LearnUpon is excellent at what it does. Course delivery, SCORM support, progress tracking. For everything else, build a layer that connects to LearnUpon through its API. You get LearnUpon's strengths, plus the custom logic your business needs. Lesson 2, use portal pattern for multi-system orchestration. When you have multiple systems that need to work together, don't try to force one system to do everything. Build a lightweight orchestration layer. Let each system do what it does best. The portal coordinates them. Lesson 3, migrate without disruption. Migrate in phases. Validate everything works. Only then retire the legacy system. You can transform your architecture without disrupting your users. It just takes planning. Academy Smart is a professional integrational partner. We extend LMS platforms for companies that have outgrown standard functionality. If you're hitting similar limits, we can help you extend your LMS without replacing it. Book a consultation. Link in the description. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe for more technical case studies from Academy Smart.